Hi friends, welcome to Make All the Things with me. My name is Leah and I am co-hosting a Christmas in July collaboration with my friends at Take 5. But stay tuned, I will tell you more about that later. Let's get started with DIY number 1. I'm making a cute little Rudolph reindeer and I started off with unicorn spit gel stain in ancient bronze. It is such a beautiful stain and it just shines just like a copper penny. And then I used some Santa Red by Decor Americana paint to paint that little wood slice from Dollar Tree to use as Rudolph's nose. And then I used Ice Egret unicorn spit gel stain. It is a beautiful glitter. It seals and just made it shine. And then I had this leftover vinyl that I cut out. I had used it for a scarecrow and I thought it'll be perfect to use as Rudolph's eyes because I don't draw very well. And for the antlers, I'm using these pine garland ties from Dollar Tree. And I couldn't really decide how I wanted to do them. I had 4 pieces and then in the end I decided just to use the one for either side. Thought it was cute. Got to work on a bow, added a little jingle bell, a big jingle bell, all from Dollar Tree. And there he is, all finished. All right, let's get on project number 2. I used Valspar antiquing glaze and usually I use a sponge. But I decided to use a paintbrush with this, and then with a wipe, I went over it to soften it and make it look like a stain. Then I got out my ruler, measured it because I'm going to cut out a piece of cardstock to glue onto the front of that. And I took some of the stain to distress the cardstock a little bit, but I really didn't like how it looked. And this is just a really simple little wood shelf sitter decor piece. I had that little Merry Christmas from the Dollar Tree as well. I painted it in Santa Red, added some pit berries and a little twine bow. Quick and easy project. On to DIY number 3. So I have this floral wreath round from Dollar Tree, of course, and I painted it in cottage white by Folk Art, and I had faux fur, and my intention was to wrap it around the whole round, but I didn't have enough, so I had to kind of pivot. And the Dollar Tree calendar page that I picked really didn't go with the red ribbon I end up using. It was a red velvet with a gold trim. So I went with my original thought and used the image with the truck on it. I am so happy that I did. I really love how this one turned out. It's a little bit different. I added the page to cardstock, measured it, cut it out, glued it onto the cardstock, glued it to the round, added a bow, and that project made itself. Okay, friends, so here's the part where I tell you about our wonderful Christmas in July collaboration. Take a look at all the creators in this fun collaboration. I am honored to be co-hosting this with the Take 5 crew, The Painted Peach, Jeannie's Palette, Funky Junk Inspiration, and myself. Make all the things with me. You can find the link to the playlist in my description below. You'll definitely want to subscribe to all of my friends' channels. I look forward to seeing you in the comments. And here's DIY number 4. I used Snow White paint by Waverly to make the cutest melted snowman ornament. I had these little different size wood rounds, got them at Dollar Tree, grabbed a stick from the yard, broke it up, used it for the arms. I had that little snowman hat ornament, put it on top, some gingham ribbon for the scarf, sprinkled some dazzling diamond glitter on it, painted a little carrot nose. How cute is he? And then I used metallic unicorn spit to stain this ornament round. Some sticks. These are wood stems from Dollar Tree. They're not from my yard. I cut them up to the size I needed, placed them on the ornament, and then glued them into place with some wood glue, topped it with a little twine bow, and another ornament complete. These were so easy, worked up fast. You could make so many of these as gifts or for ornaments on your own tree. And here's the last project, DIY number 6, and this one is my favorite. I got this star during the 4th of July season at Dollar Tree. I painted it in Snow White by Waverly, staining it with Valspar antiquing glaze. And now I'm going to decoupage this snowman napkin onto the star. And I just wanted his head. So I fussy cut around the image. And then I used my glue stick. And while I was doing that, I realized there was another ply. It was a 3-ply napkin. So I separated it, put the glue stick to use again. I prefer to use a glue stick. It doesn't make the napkin really wet, and you can reposition it. And I don't know, I just find it so much easier to use the glue stick than a wet glue. And then I put a layer of Mod Podge over it to seal it onto the star. I burnished it down. And then I grabbed some Martha Stewart glitter gel paste and my star stencils, and I just put some random stars on the star, and it was so pretty. It glistened, and I couldn't really get a great image of that, but I just love how this one turned out. It is my favorite. Then I just embellished it with a plastic snowflake, some ribbon, and some greenery, and that's it. Just a beautiful, simple project that I'm going to hang all year round, not just at Christmas time. I can't wait to put it up. Thank you so much for watching. Which one was your favorite? Leave me a comment below in the comment section. I would really love that, and I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget, check the description for the link to the playlist. You will not be disappointed. You will be inspired.